Have you ever wondered how Renaissance artists captured not just the likeness, but the very essence of their subjects? Let's explore the remarkable double portrait of Giuliano and Francesco Giamberti da Sangallo, painted by Piero di Cosimo between 1482 and 1485. Piero di Cosimo, a Florentine painter known for his imaginative and sometimes eccentric works, created this double portrait as a tribute to the Sangallo family. Giuliano da Sangallo, the son, was a renowned architect, and his father, Francesco, was both an architect and a musician. These pendant portraits are some of the earliest examples where the subject's professions are central to the composition. In Giuliano's portrait, we see him depicted in a three-quarter view, turned slightly to the right. The background features a serene landscape, possibly symbolizing the harmony and balance essential in both architecture and music. Below him, on the plinth, are a compass and a pen, clear symbols of his craft as an architect. The compass represents precision and measurement, key tools in the creation of harmonious structures, while the pen may symbolize the design and intellectual aspects of his work. Francesco's portrait, on the other hand, likely features musical notes on a sheet of paper, reflecting his contributions to music as well as architecture. Together, these symbols highlight the connection between the two arts, both based on principles of proportion and harmony, core values of the Renaissance. Piero di Cosimo's use of light and shadow in these portraits is masterful, bringing a sense of depth and realism to the figures. The attention to detail, particularly in the rendering of textures and materials, further emphasizes the importance of the subject's professions. The portraits are not just representations of Giuliano and Francesco, but also serve as a testament to their enduring legacy in the fields of architecture and music. The diptych format, with each portrait complementing the other, reinforces the idea of continuity between father and son, as well as between the arts they practiced. It also reflects the Renaissance ideal of the uomo universale, or the universal man who excels in multiple disciplines. Piero di Cosimo, working in Florence, was influenced by the prevailing humanist ideas of the time, which celebrated the individual's intellectual and artistic achievements. These portraits are a clear reflection of this philosophy, capturing not only the physical likenesses of Giuliano and Francesco, but also their contributions to the cultural and intellectual life of their era. In conclusion, this double portrait by Piero di Cosimo is a profound representation of the Sangallo family's impact on Renaissance art and architecture. It invites viewers to appreciate the close relationship between the visual and musical arts during this period, as well as the enduring legacy of these two remarkable figures. Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe for more insightful art explorations.